Explode.
No.
Spawn has been riddled with creeper explosions. So I'm gonna fix it. I got a lot of work to do. Let's get started.
If I use roughly 1.5 stacks, because I was going in a line like this and this. So if I use 1.5 stacks going there and 1.5 stacks going back, that's 3 stacks for one there and back. Now if I space it out to do 7 blocks in between each row, and I did the math and the coordinates, and came up with the total of this much coal, charcoal. Yeah, and we got a lot more to go. Let's go. As soon as this opens. There we go. Whee!
I wasn't planning on upgrading my armor to netherite this episode. I was planning on doing it like right before we get to the end, but I mean, I have the netherite. I've had it for a bit, but I mean, I've seen other people upgrade their armor already, so I think it's my turn now too. So we're gonna craft this block of netherite back into ingots because I just wanted to have it. I showed NatDog it. Anyways, take off my armor, and then boom. Wait. Boom. 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 There we go. Perfect. And then, of course, we got the Silk Touch pickaxe. I think I'm going to swap these now, but there we go. Boom, boom. My sword. I still got to enchant it with Fire Aspect. I did just fully enchant these. There we go. Serious dedication. There we go. And now I am fully upgraded. Now what? No, I gotta keep working on spawn. This is far from done. We're just beginning. Let's continue.
So there's the building. Sorry that I wasn't able to record all of it. I just have been having some corrupt footage. That's why I wasn't able to get all of the villager trading hall done either. But what I do have, I'll do in here. I built a little bit of a dripstone area. So these are the original dripstone that was in that, but I didn't want. But I used this. There's water above this, so as time goes on, these 6 are going to regenerate. So there's that. And then this is inside. I have some lanterns. Might want to put one more line so you don't have these dark patches. But in this I have my bone meal maker, so that I used to have over there, so it's not there anymore. Anyways, ta-da! I kind of like it. It looks kind of good. Definitely looks a little flat, maybe, but I think it looks pretty good actually. So that's where I have it, the original crafting table. Yeah, everything's OG, even nostalgia, even though we're just still only like the 9th episode. But I got a small chest up here. This spawn market house, town hall or whatever, was not just supposed to be mine. The original one technically was mine and Sean's, but I think we moved on, and now it's time to share this with everybody. This is like where everybody spawns. I might want to put some there. Now I can open and close it. Biggest thing is now I need andesite, which I'll go get some. There. I don't really need a torch there. There's lanterns right here, but there we go. I think it turned out pretty good. So anyways, this is not just mine. I'm going to be sharing it with everybody. So anybody that's on the server can have a little bit of part in adding to this. We'll still try to make it look nice in here, but that is going to be our dripstone area. And you know, I'll just decorate a little bit more and add a little. There. Yeah, it looks a lot better now. Anyways, so yeah, these are my areas. Then everybody else is going to do that. Check their videos out. I'm not sure if they're going to be making one at all anytime soon, but there is something coming up. So I'm going to start getting ready for it, but I hope you enjoyed the transition from this to this, something that is a lot better, in my opinion. I think it definitely needed this upgrade, and I'm glad I finally got this out. It took a very long time, so please think about subscribing. We got a lot more to do in this world. This was just the start. There's still quite a bit that I have left undone that is still part of Spawn. As time goes on, I'm going to start working more outside of Spawn. But we're still got a bit more to go inside and finish the villager market. I got to fix my farm area. But besides that, I'm really happy with this renovation. Anyways, I got to get ready for something that's happening in the next episode. So I'll see you then. That should be coming out in about a week or so. So thanks for watching, and stick around. Let's change something real quick. I want to add something. Perfect. Ready?
Yep. Yeah.
So we're going to be opening this one right here. The 64 jungle saplings. That's what I have right here. So bamboo, cocoa beans, pandas we can.
Do I have MTK on slime scrolling down? Yes, I did!
10,016 slimes.
With the level?
Alright. Ooh. Okay.
Netherite?
What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, so something that I have a box for music discs, a chest, a bonus chest that of the structured music discs that you can only get if you get every single either music disc. I have finally done it. Every single item frame is full, every single music disc that is possible with, you know, the creeper and skeleton. I got it. And these two are going to be the two structure ones, which I'm going to go get now. Every single disc is blank. Every single one. This is a bit more, jaw-dropping thing. What do you think?
What would happen if someone minds all of it?
Well, that'd be stealing. It's against the rules.
Alright. What if I just, this nice, peaceful gardening of my sweet berries. I'll move it sometime, but that is it for this one.
This doesn't look great. So I'm going to take it down in a later episode, move it and build it and make it look a lot better. So let's just, I'll take care of this and then let's, I wonder how many mobs there are. Ready? Whoa! 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 That was crazy! Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Ready? Let's go!